How to download Viber application. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can download Viber application. Viber is a messaging and calling application that allows users to connect with friends and family around the world. Now to download it, you'll have to open any app store or play store on your device. Once you open the app store, you will find the search bar at the top. Click on the search bar and there type the word Viber. After typing the word Viber there, click on this search icon of your keyboard to search it. You will find various search results. Find the authentic Viber application. Once you find the application, tap on it, or you can directly tap on that install button. Once you reach to this page, here click on this install button to start the downloading process. Wait patiently until it gets downloaded and installs on your device. Once the installation process completes, tap on this open button or find the Viber application on your home screen and start creating account on it. So in this way you can download Viber application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.